This is Chapter 3. I am going to do a presentation on the Windows Server 2008 registry. We're going to discuss what the registry is, where the registry is, the contents, the H keys, when you make changes, those sources I use, and then I'll have activity 3-14 using the registry editor. When I first began computers, it was well known that you never ever edit the registry. But there are times when you need to edit the registry. First, what is the registry? Well, it's a database that contains very important information about your system, your programs, and your profiles. The registry is stored in two main places in Windows, System 32. There's the configs for your system information and the one for your users. The contents are arranged in a hierarchical structure. You have your registry keys, which is a category or division, and it is the main folder that your entries are kept in. The registry subkey is a single entry or subcategory of a key, which, as you can see, it is the next folder down to the H keys. The registry entry is the data parameter with three parts, which is the name, type, and data, or the value of what you have set. The root key or subtree is the same as the registry key. It's the highest level in the hierarchy and is mainly the H keys. So the H keys are local machine, current user, users, classes root, and current config. The local machine contains information about your drivers, your interrupted requests used, setup configs, and your BIOS version. Current user is the desktop configurations for the currently logged user. Your users are all the users that are on your machine. The class's root contains data for associated file extensions with programs. And your current config is the current hardware profiles. So when you make changes, here's some things that you need to keep in mind. Be sure you know what you're editing. Keep a journal of changes made in case you have to revert. Document everything. Back up the registry before changing, and if you are within a business or using a server, make sure you specify a group that can make those changes and then remove that privilege from everyone else. And you should only change the registry when it's the last resort. So our sources is where and this article is where I found the things that you can do with your changing your registry. So now we're going to do activity 314 using the registry editor.